13 skin tightening and anti-aging treatments to try at home. But before we reveal the steps on how to tightening your skin, we want you to take a second to like this video and also check out the first link in the description to learn about the new skin tightening and anti-aging product to look 10 years younger. Collagen and elastin, two proteins that keep your skin smooth, tight, and wrinkle-free, are essential for healthy, youthful-looking skin. But factors like aging, sun damage, and exposure to airborne toxins can cause collagen and elastin to break down over time. When that happens, the skin around your face, neck, and chest may become wrinkled, saggy, and loose. Luckily, there are a number of things you can do to give your skin the tightening treatment it's craving and help prevent sagging skin. But before we get to those, let's talk about what causes your skin to sag in the first place. Home remedies offer an affordable and fun way to tighten your skin. But if you're craving fast, clinically proven results, you'll want to use a professionally made product. 1. Coconut oil. Skin tightening home remedies ingredients. Coconut oil, as the name suggests, is the oil derived from the flesh, the white part, of a coconut. It has become a familiar staple in many kitchens and can also be used to tighten your skin. Coconut oil is a powerful antioxidant that works to eliminate free radicals that can damage your skin. In addition, coconut oil hydrates and moisturizes your skin, which prevents sagging. To use coconut oil as a skin tightening treatment, start with a teaspoon of coconut oil and massage it into your skin for 5 minutes before bed. The massaging helps to push the coconut oil deeper into your skin where it can do the most good. Leave the oil on overnight for an added boost of healing. 2. Egg white and honey mask. Honey to go in skin tightening home remedies. Egg whites and honey have each been known for their many health benefits. But together, the two foods can also be combined and used as a mask to tighten sagging and loose skin. Egg white is rich in the protein albumin, which works to rebuild skin cells, improve skin's elasticity, and impart a natural glow. Honey is a powerful antioxidant that can help remove toxins that build up over time in your skin. Used together, they provide a powerful 1-2 punch to tighten skin. Separate one egg white from the yolk. Mix the egg white with 2 tablespoons of honey and apply it to your face, neck, or chest. Leave the mixture on for 15 minutes. After the 15 minutes, wash off the mask with warm water and pat dry. For best results, use the egg white and honey mask once a week. 3. Olive oil. Olive oil for skin tightening home remedies. Before hydrating creams and moisturizing lotions, there was olive oil. The ancient Egyptians used olive oil as a cleanser, moisturizer, and antibacterial agent to help give their skin a radiant glow and protect him from the sun. Like many other substances on this list, olive oil is a powerful antioxidant. But it also contains a healthy dose of vitamin E that not only tightens your skin but protects it from sun damage. After your evening shower, massage olive oil into your face, neck, and chest. Continue massaging the areas for a few minutes to help the oil penetrate your skin. Olive oil can be used every day in place of a body lotion. 4. Coffee scrub. Coffee for coffee scrub skin tightening home remedies. Coffee is the go-to morning beverage for millions of people. Not only can coffee help you start your day, it can also be used at night to tighten your skin and prevent the signs of aging. Coffee contains antioxidants that slow the signs of skin aging. When used as a scrub in combination with other substances, coffee exfoliates and firms your skin while at the same time working to smooth out and eliminate fat deposits. In a bowl, combine the following ingredients. 1/4 cup of coffee grounds. 1/4 cup of brown sugar. 1/2 teaspoon of cinnamon. 2 tablespoons of coconut oil, heat this slightly to make it a liquid. Using your fingers and small circular motions, scrub your face, neck, and chest for 3 minutes. Rinse the mixture off using warm water. For best results, apply this scrub once a week. 5. Witch hazel. Witch hazel for tightening skin. Witch hazel is a plant that provides many health benefits, not least of which is to help tighten and heal aging and sun-damaged skin. Witch hazel can be purchased online or at most drugstores or health food stores. Witch hazel is most commonly used as an astringent, where it works to shrink pores and tighten skin. Witch hazel also helps to slow the breakdown of the collagen and elastin within your skin. At night before bed, or whenever you use an astringent, soak a cotton ball with witch hazel and apply liberally to your face, neck, and chest. Let the witch hazel dry for 5 minutes. Do not rinse your skin after it has dried. For added healing benefits, apply another round of witch hazel to the same areas. Witch hazel is gentle enough that it can be used daily in place of an alcohol-based toner. 6. Epsom salt soak. Epsom salt on a wooden surface coming out of a wooden scoop. Epsom salt, or more technically, magnesium sulfate, has long been used to reduce swelling in the feet and ankles, but the same process can be applied to other parts of your body as well. Epsom salt pulls excess water from your body and improves circulation, which, in turn, tightens your skin and prevents sagging. Add 2 cups of Epsom salt to a warm water bath and soak as much of your body as possible for 15 to 20 minutes. It's not necessary to rinse your body afterward. Soak with Epsom salt twice a week for optimal results. 7. Yogurt mask. Yogurt in a bowl being prepared for skin tightening home remedies. Yogurt is a crucial part of any healthy diet. In addition to eating it, you can also apply yogurt directly to your skin to smooth and tighten wrinkled areas. Like most milk products, yogurt contains lactic acid. When applied to your skin, the lactic acid works to shrink pores. This can result in tighter, smoother skin. To create a skin-tightening yogurt mask, mix 2 drops of lime juice into 2 tablespoons of plain yogurt. Apply the yogurt, lime juice mixture to your face, neck, and chest, and massage into your skin for 10 minutes. Leave the yogurt mask on your skin for another 5 minutes and then rinse off with warm water. This process can be done twice a week. 8. Cucumber. Woman holding cucumber slices in front of her face. Cucumber is one of the best natural skin toners out there. It can tighten loose and saggy skin without the risk of side effects or allergic reactions. And it can refresh and rejuvenate tired skin to give your complexion the boost it needs. Here are 3 easy ways to use cucumber in your beauty routine. Cucumber juice. Grind half a cucumber, peel and all, in a blender, then squeeze it through a strainer to extract the juice. Apply the juice to your face, neck, and chest, and leave it on for 15 minutes. Rinse your skin with lukewarm water, and pat it dry with a soft towel. This remedy is safe enough to do every day. Cucumber pulp. Grind half a cucumber, peel and all, in a blender. Apply this pulp directly to your face, neck, and chest. Let it sit for 15 minutes, and then rinse it off with lukewarm water. Pat your skin dry with a soft, clean towel. Repeat every other day. Cucumber mask. Grind half a cucumber, peel and all, in a blender, then squeeze it through a strainer to extract the juice. Mix 2 tablespoons of this juice with 1 egg white and 3 drops of vitamin E oil. Apply the mask to your face, neck, and chest, and let it dry for 15 minutes. Wash the mask off with lukewarm water, and then pat your skin dry with a soft towel. Use this mask once a week. 9. Aloe Vera. Aloe Vera skin tightening home remedy. Aloe Vera is a natural moisturizer and contains malic acid, which improves the elasticity of your skin. Both of these properties together make aloe vera an effective and inexpensive treatment for sagging skin. Harness the power of aloe vera with these simple recipes. Aloe vera gel. Extract the gel from several aloe vera leaves and spread it on your face, neck, and chest. Leave the gel on your skin for 15 minutes, and then wash it off with lukewarm water. Pat your skin dry with a soft, clean towel. Aloe vera mask. To make an aloe vera mask, mix 1 tablespoon of aloe vera gel, 1 tablespoon of mayonnaise, 1 tablespoon of honey. Apply the mask to your face, neck, and chest, and let it dry for 15 minutes. Rinse off the mask with lukewarm water. Because of the honey in this recipe, you may need to scrub gently with a soft washcloth to completely remove the mask. Finally, rinse your skin one more time with cool water, and then pat it dry with a soft towel. 10. Honey. We've already used honey with egg white to prevent and treat sagging skin. But honey provides so many important natural benefits to your skin that we had to list it by itself. Honey does a marvelous job of hydrating dry skin, fighting free radicals with antioxidants, keeping your skin clean with antifungal and antibacterial properties, reducing redness with anti-inflammatory properties. All of these benefits can help prevent sagging and get you the smooth, younger-looking skin you've been searching for. So crack open that honey bear and jumpstart the healing with these easy recipes. Honey and olive oil in a small bowl. Mix 3 teaspoons of honey and 3 drops of olive oil. You can use the mixture at room temperature, or for an added boost, warm it slightly in the microwave. If you choose the warm option, heat the mixture in intervals of 5 seconds. It doesn't need to be hot, just warm to the touch. Apply the honey and olive oil to your face, neck, and chest, and let it dry for 15 minutes. Rinse your skin with lukewarm water, and gently scrub with a soft washcloth if necessary. Rinse your skin one more time with cool water to counteract the friction caused by the scrubbing, then pat your skin dry with a soft towel. Honey, sour cream, and turmeric in a bowl. Mix 1 tablespoon of honey, 1 tablespoon of sour cream, and 1 teaspoon of turmeric powder. Apply the mask to your face, neck, and chest, and let it dry for 15 minutes. Rinse your skin with lukewarm water, scrubbing with a soft washcloth if necessary. To finish, splash your skin with cool water and pat it dry with a soft towel. 11. Lemon. The vitamin C in lemon boosts collagen production and helps restore elasticity to your skin. Even more, lemon has astringent properties that work as a wrinkle-reducing and skin-tightening remedy. Incorporate lemon by extracting some fresh juice and applying it gently to your face and neck. Leave the juice on for 5 to 10 minutes before rinsing with water. You can also add the juice of half a lemon to a cup of cold water. Splash this mixture on your freshly washed face once or twice each day, allowing the lemon water to air dry on your skin. 12. Papaya. Papaya contains enzymes, like papain, that act as a natural skin tightening treatment. Papaya makes your skin smooth and supple because it's rich in vitamin A and antioxidants. It also contains vitamin C, which plays a major role in collagen synthesis and maintenance. Use papaya pulp as a face mask once per week for best results. 13. Banana. Bananas are a beauty powerhouse. They are rich in iron, zinc, potassium, magnesium, and vitamins A, B, C, and D. Mash a ripe banana and combine it with a few drops of fresh lemon juice, remedy number 11. Use the mixture as a mask and leave it on for 10 to 15 minutes before rinsing with warm water. Its minerals and vitamins pack the mask with anti-aging properties. Bonus: it also smooths and moisturizes your skin. 13 skin tightening and anti-aging treatments to try at home. Don't forget to check out that new skin tightening and anti-aging product to look 10 years younger, in the description below. Kindly like, share and comment on our channel. Thank you.